Testing one. Okay, brothers. I think you are doing very well, and today I'm going to teach you about how to level up from level 5 to level 8 or level 9. This is a small trick that you can use. Uh, First of all, we should know how you get the experience level that need to level up. So currently this account is level 7. Imagine you are in level 5 or something like that. The rewarding mechanism makes like this: when you buy a miner you get 25 XP. uh, when you place it on room you get 15 XP. So when you buy any miner you can get 25 XP, then you place in room you get 15 XP. So each common miner you can get 40 XP. Then imagine you buy two common miners, then you can merge it. So uh, two miners mean 50 XP, then you place you get 30 XP. So total 50 plus 30 mean 80 XP. Then after you merge you can get another 20 XP. That means every single common miner you can get 100 x. Every two miners you can get 100 XP. So you need to do is go to miner shop. From these you should buy only basic validator, because other miners are more expensive but you get same XP level. So you should buy only basic validators. So you can cost 0.001 Solana when you buy. I strongly suggest you to go to level, then look how much experience now you have. Currently I have 3615. Then I buy a miner from shop. It need to add another 25. I'm waiting for purchase. The purchase successful message comes. Then I go to level. There should be adding another 25 XP. So I am wait until it's update. Please do as I say, wait until it's update. Do not buy in row minus. You waste your XP. Sometimes this is not add experience. So I refresh now. Okay, then the experience has added. So I go to my inventory, then I deploy to farm, then go to levels, wait until our experience upgrade. Experience has upgraded. So I think I have another miner on this inventory, so I deploy it also. The game is very slow. I don't know why. Sometimes it's load too much resources from internet every request or something like that. I don't know exactly what is going on. Then I need to go to levels, need until experience up. Please do this. Experience has up. So I go to my miners room, then I can merge them. So each time I merge I can get another experience. So I go to room, then I click one miner and click another miner, then pop-up window will come and it asks to merge. It costs 0001 Solana, so I'm going to merge it. Awesome. Right, then I go to again level. I have 90. This level, experience level, has up. So this is the way you should experience up and level up. Also you can come quest and claim some rewards, and also you can come this progression tab, and when you level up you can claim some reward. Make sure you claim everything. uh, then after you completely use your full Solana, how you can get another Solana? That is a question. This is it is easy very. If you do this, you can do like this. You can buy miner from shop, basic validator, then come to your inventory, then deploy it. I do it, buy it, wait until purchase. Okay, go to levels, make sure go to levels. Okay, then you should go to inventory, then deploy, come again levels, check the experience as upgraded or not, wait until it's upgraded, then you can come to room, then click this miner and you can send it to inventory again. Move to inventory, then I go to marketplace and sell my basic validator miner that I purchased. 001 waitlisting has been successful. Then if someone buy this miner, you can again buy another miner from the shop and experience up. This is another trick you can use. Also you can do this go social tab, then go to this section and you ask your friends to like your farm, and when someone like your farm you can get 0.001 Solana per each like. So in this way you can get also another some Solana. And if you have no Solana and you is still stuck on level 5 and you have only basic miners and you invested more money on something like this miners, USB or another high cost miners, I strongly recommend you to create another new account and then use it as your main account, because you have wasted too much resources and for this like miners, it is not good for leveling up your account. So I show you this day, the same day created account and not played account. Yes, this account has played, I am played total 8 days. This is the 7th 8th day, right? This is my 8th day. I created another account on same day. This is the another account I created same day. From this account I have played I think only 3 days or something like that. Yeah, This is I think third day. So it has Solana power 0.5, and this account only have basic validators. With basic validators adding and merging, I reach level 8 in just a few days. I think I have 0.03 Solana, so we can go miner shop, buy some miners, go to levels, wait until experience level up. 45 is not up. I'm still waiting for upgrading. Sometimes the experience not adding here. I don't know the exact reason. Then I deploy this to my farm. Let's look experience will upgrade or not. Guys, experience is not upgrading. I don't know the exact reason for this. If you have this error, please do not buy another miner at this time and refish and wait for game to be updated. After that happen, you can buy again new miners. Make sure to check this experience level is upgrading or not. Otherwise when sometimes experience is not upgrading, you if you buy a new miner, it is waste of XP. This is waste of XP. So in this time you don't need yeah, experience is up, then I can continue buying and merging. Hopeful this video is very helpful for you to level up and everything. Favorite friend request, and also I created this account because I posted this on community. Someone request me to this video, so I make this video, and someone has says this cannot withdraw. I don't know either. I have few questions on this game because this game is free to play. So I wondering how they can earn money, then distribute it to users. There is no advertising. Some users deposit money, so it can give back to another users, but in long term they can not continue this. So I wonder how this game will pay to users. uh, Probably this game will close after few months. Maybe this is a scam. So guys, I maybe it is not be a scam. I don't know either. This will reward you or not. However, but you can see this breakdown. It says I can earn on hour this much Solana, and per month I can get 0.005 Solana with my hash rate. So to earn 0.1 Solana, I have to spend too much months. It cost me around 20 months. So eventually I can increase my hash rate to 0.7, 0.8, 1, 2, like that. So I think in the 10th month I can grow this to 1 hash rate. So I think at least 10 months we can withdraw money. This means uh, 0.1 one Solana. Now Solana is, I think, $80 or something like that. So to earn $8 you have to wait 10 months at least. So this game looks like not good for investing your time. It is looks like so this is the way you can earn Solana and level up level 5 to level 9 like something. Hope you follow this and level up your account. And if this helpful, please like the video and comment if you could reach level 7, 8, 9 or something like that. Hopefully you are doing well.